Now it is time for a bit of math. Consider a 3-row pyramid if you want it centered. It would look something like this. Empty spaces have been replaced with interpuncts or middle dots for readability. If you extrapolate, which means to extend or predict the pattern rather, you can see that the spaces at the beginning and end of a row follow a pattern. 2, 1, and there is no more middle dots here. Update your blank space strings to be repeated row count minus row number times. So the console has been opened already. All we have to do is this one. So again, these two empty strings are our blank space strings. So we have to update those with repeat method. So we have interpolated the repeat method on each of our empty strings or the blank space strings. And it has to repeat something based on a calculation. That would mean the result of the row count deducted that would mean the result of the deduction of row count and row number would be the repeat value of our blank space strings. So row count minus row number here, and then also at the ending of our character repeated string, row number. Nice. So here it has been, so the beginning or the first empty string is repeated by the result of the deduction of row count and row number times. That is the same with the other one. Nice.